Many people ask for SANS 121 compliance only after the steel has already been galvanized and installed. By then, it is too late. SANS 121, which is technically identical to ISO 1461, is a complete process specification. It must be specified before the steel is galvanized, not afterwards. Compliance begins with a pre-inspection of the fabricated steel. Hole sizes, venting, welding quality, surface condition, and steel chemistry all influence the final coating. The steel then goes through the normal hot dip galvanizing process where molten zinc reacts with the steel to form a metallurgically bonded coating. After galvanizing, the coating is fettled and cleaned to remove excess zinc, ash, and sharp edges. Final inspection includes coating thickness measurements, visual checks, and the compilation of a quality control pack, including a galvanizing thickness report. If galvanizing was not specified to SANS 121 before production, only thickness certificates can be issued afterwards. No ethical galvanizer should issue a full SANS 121 certificate once the steel has already been installed on site. To ensure true SANS 121 compliance, the specification, inspections, and documentation must form part of the process from day one.